The artificial intelligence boom just getting started, and ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood is betting big. Yahoo Finance's Josh Lipton is here now with a closer look at the opportunity. Josh.
Brad, there is no bigger trend for investors than the mega trend of AI, and a company we all associate with that trend has been making headlines. OpenAI, company behind ChatGPT, recently announced that it raised $6.6 billion in new funding. Investors valuing the startup at an eye-popping $157 billion. Now, just to put that into context here, it's a similar market capitalization to publicly traded companies like Goldman Sachs. This round was reportedly led by venture capital firm Thrive Capital. Other investors included Microsoft and new investors such as SoftBank, NVIDIA, and Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management. Yahoo Finance recently did speak with Cathie Wood and asked her why she's so bullish on this startup. In part, she talked with us about how revenue has been growing very strongly, her confidence that the company will be able to charge a lot more in the future for its technology as it develops, and her trust in OpenAI Chief Executive Sam Altman and his management team despite a number of recent executive departures.
We always look at who they are bringing in and who they are retaining as talent. And we think one of Mira, the CTO who just left, I think she has built a very solid organization. And we love the fact that Sarah Fryer has come in as CFO. I've followed Sarah since her Goldman Sachs days, through Salesforce and Block. And she's an incredible leader. So to attract her spoke volumes to us.
So how does business look for this young company right now? Well, it is growing at a very impressive clip. We know that with 250 million weekly active users, 11 million paying subscribers. It is expected to generate revenue this year of $3.7 billion. That's according to the Wall Street Journal. But it is still far from profitable, expecting to lose around $5 billion. Its investors clearly willing to give that a pass for now as it grows. Looking ahead, per reports, OpenAI estimates that its revenue will surge to $11.6 billion in 2025, Brad.
I mean, the likelihood that this company is going to need to go public anytime soon with funding infusion like this, what do you think?
I think you could make the case that though an IPO, and I don't know time frames, you would think that it has to happen at some point, Brad, because they do, I mean, to develop and operate AI models costs a ton of money.
Yeah.
You have to have big AI brains working at the company, right? That's a lot of money. And there's no way a trust buster in Washington is ever letting a big tech company buy this one.
True. Well, the exposure right now is investing into the companies that have investments into OpenAI for sure. Josh, great breakdown as always. Appreciate it.